Hello, I'm Dave Epstein and welcome to Growing Wisdom in Albion, Maine. We're at the Johnny Selected Seeds, one of their test gardens. This is where they test some of the plants which will actually end up as seeds which you can plant. And we're here in a row of lettuce, and today we're going to be talking about kind of the beginning stages of a garden where you want to get that soil beginning to work it, right? So Adam, what are we going to see today?
We're going to see the Broadfork. We're going to use it to aerate the soil, loosen it up, and get the bed ready for preparation.
Great.
Okay, so what I'm holding here today is a Broadfork. This is actually our 727 hardpan Broadfork. We have a couple different styles. These Broadforks are used for loosening and aerating the bed. It's generally the first step for bed preparation. A couple different styles. Like I said, this is the hardpan style, so it's designed for soils that are a little bit tougher, maybe more rocks, maybe more clay. Anytime when you might bend a tine on our standard round tine Broadforks. And I will show you how we use this. So this is how you use it. You're going to drive it in, okay? Try and get it inserted fully. And I'm going to come back to about 45 degree, and we want to see that earth start to crack right there, okay? Lean it back up, pull it out, back 6 to 8 inches, okay? Drive it in, lean it back, pull it out. Now what I've seen some growers do, if they've got permanent raised beds, they do it like this, where they're staying out of the bed entirely, except to step on the Broadfork. It's a little harder, but it can be done. I don't feel a need for it myself, but it's personal preference.
As you've just seen, Adam used that Broadfork to loosen the soil to prepare it for planting, but we didn't undo the entire soil structure like a traditional rototiller might do. That's correct, right?
And we didn't bring up weed seeds from below either. So it loosens it up, it gets some air in there, and really lets your plants grow well.
Best time to do that would be spring or fall?
Spring.
So spring, great time to do this. And once again, thanks for having us out here to Albion, Maine. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.